Something I'm not ready for, still lingers in the air. Like a flag behind somewhere. Do you feel it? When the sun is well, can you feel me? When the coffee gets better, I believe, baby, your face is still. It feels like I feel, it's all. It's beating still. You should have times to feel like it. Phone number 10. All the rooms want you well. But every step goes through, part of me won't let go. Your name still lingers in the air. Like a flag behind somewhere. Do you feel it? When the sun is well, can you feel me? When the coffee gets better, I believe, baby, your face is still. It feels like I feel, it's all. It's beating still. You should have times to feel like it. Phone number 10. All the rooms want you well. But every step goes through, part of me won't let go. Your name still lingers in the air. Like a flag behind Don't walk away, no, not yet. Stay this red, no path, regret. Your eyes still shine, the air feels high. The touch remains, the face tonight. No need for words, just let it be. Two hands still hold, unknowingly. The noise outside can't reach us here. This fragile beat is all we hear. Dance with me before it breaks. No promises, no tears stay. The rhythm's slow, the silence near. Don't let go, just keep me here. We burn too hard, then keep slow. One final breath, you won't be shy. Because the last, no need to think, just let pass. We're standing still, tongues and blows, one last release. That no one knows, let's shout stretch across the floor. Don't need to leave, not anymore. Just breathe in and disappear. With nothing here. Dance with me before it breaks. No promises, no tears stays. The rhythm's slow, the silence near. But don't let go, just keep me here. We burn too bright, then keep slow. One final breath, then let go. Don't say goodbye, just hold the face. No turning back, no things. Dance with me in faith now. Forget the name, forget the lie. The song slows down, the fear stays. Let's fall apart in some ways. We had it all, we'll never know. One more moment, let it go. I'm gonna put ring light around that strip light right around there in the top. Yeah, it was supposed to be hidden, like, but fuck that, I can't do it. It's too hard. I think I can, but whatever. That brown piece, I cut it wrong, so when the guests they come and gone and I buy more sheetrock, I'm gonna take it down and fit it properly so I could get the right side of the sheetrock. Right now I can't do it. Guests coming tomorrow for it. Yeah, 2 more sheetrock and I'm good to go. That light is gonna go into there and come right here. So it's not locked out. Just push my hand in, push down the get the long extension wire put on it. Another piece of this is not a 1x5. This is a 2.5. So and I only have 1x5, but whatever. I'll see tomorrow if I can do it and just put it over in there for the time being.
Frankenstein wall ceiling. Yep. So, oh, my music pause. Yep. So this is what I did, y'all. And my shoulder is killing me this morning. I in so much pain at night and I couldn't wake this morning and I am such a mess.